Good morning. This is Bill from out of Europa, Naples, and today I got a little bit of a late start. It's a Monday morning. Lingered a little bit too long over the coffee and newspaper. So I'm fighting the uneven lighting of the rising sun, which actually turns out to be a little bit apropos because this is a Volkswagen EOS, which the pagans at VW decided to name after the Greek goddess of the dawn. So, all very befitting. This is a 2012 model, which means it got some refresher designing. That was updated in 12 with better looking headlights and grille, LED taillights, just a little bit of stuff here and there. This is also the Luxe version, which gives it genuine leather, navigation, a nicer trim all around, and frankly, just a good looking piece. So this is probably their lowest production model. Frankly, I don't think a lot of people know it exists. It's a folding hardtop convertible, and it's the only one that sort of integrates a giant moonroof into the process. So it's got some neat stuff going for it. It's a good looking car. Maybe when the top's up, you don't entirely know it's a convertible, but that can be true of a lot of hardtop machines. They said that about the 3 Series. It's got the same drivetrain from the GTI, which is absolutely fantastic. Engine and transmission combo. You can see it's a very smart looking vehicle. This one's finished in candy white. It's got sort of a sandstone leather interior, and again, that is genuine leather. And all around, it's a handsome car. I also like the way the trunk handle works when you pop in the logo like that, and up it comes. So with the top down, it's really crap for trunk. You get this little slit here like the medieval people used to pour oil through at the invading hordes. You can see it's also got the original, I don't know what the hell that is, the pump, the kit for fixing a flat tire. It seems strange to me that it's just sort of hanging out there, but that's, this is like the 3rd or 4th EOS I've done. I always look for a place to stow it, and I think that's it. It also has the all-weather mats, which are nice. You see I got my bag of crap in the way. This is a set of original floor mats that it has as well, and the bag for the optional accessory windscreen, which it's nice to see is still with the vehicle. Put that back down, have a look under the hood. So absolutely magical under the hood of these V-dubs. That 2-liter turbo, God, if I can get in there. Mondays. So the 2-liter turbo out of this thing, again, same as the GTI, 200 horsepower, about 207 torques. Very, very peppy, very efficient, lovely revving engine. It motors this thing pretty quickly to 60 from a standing start, a little over 6 seconds, which is, pretty much all the pep you need unless you're some kind of a speed demon. Everything very nice under there, very proper, no corrosion at all. This is a very southern car, and everything looking just lovely. That's mated to a 6-speed DSG. It's an automatic transmission that double clutches for you. Fantastic gearbox. Everybody just raves about it, and I agree. It's a terrific piece, and it's in this car. All right, let's have a look inside. So VW also gives these great little rear seat switches, so the rear seat occupants can terrorize the front seat passengers by moving them forward and back. It is genuine leather back there. You've got some very rudimentary cup holders between the seats. This fantastic accessory windscreen still with the car, and it's deployed. That comes out in a pinch if you want to fit somebody back there, but why bother? Now you've got a 2-seater. You don't have to bring anyone to the airport. Well, maybe one person, and you certainly don't have to take their kids. But anyway, everything really nice and proper back there. You got your rollover protection hidden inside the headrests, and everything nice and proper all around. Up front, you've got these lovely, rich, lazy boy looking seats there, full leather, dual power, power passenger, power driver, part of that Luxe package. Very easy to adjust, very supportive, very comfortable. Just a very nice seat from Volkswagen. Also a nice 2-tone black and beige door panel with lovely wood trim, part of that Luxe package. You get these nice nickel enhanced power windows, back, front, and this will run all 4 at once. Your power mirrors, your locks, trunk and gas, everything where you'd expect to see it. I tell you what, let's get the top up so you can see that for a minute, because that really is what this thing's all about. So I'm going to start it with my foot on the brake, tap that start stop. You've got a little top holder right here, so pull that back. These little flaps open. Up comes the trunk from the reverse, and up comes that fantastic folding hard roof. Very, very cool stuff. Look at the size of the sunroof that comes on already deployed. So back goes the trunk, down goes the rear, and up comes this great big power moonroof. And if you keep it pulled, then all 4 windows go up. So let's do a quick walk around. I'm going to pull the shade, and you get a peek at that. So very nice and modern, the way it's got a glass roof, a pano roof, if you will. You know, nice curved design, works really, really well, and I think it's pretty damn nice to look at. And so here's the thing. Let's say you want to, you know, get a little bit of sunshine, but not too much. You can run it as a sunroof. So we put that back, press this middle button here, and look at that. Look at the size of that. So, goddess of the dawn indeed. You don't just get your big convertible top, but you also get a pretty damn big sunroof. And we're going to keep going. I'm going to pause halfway through the operation so you can see the way it folds. I like the way the rear folds up on top, sort of reminiscent of a BMW 3 Series. Let me just stop there for one quick second. And there it is. So a real ballet of mechanical engineering, the way this folds up and comes down. It's just very lovely to look at. You can also see when the trunk is, when the top is up, you can move this whole cargo thing forward. The top will stop working, but all of a sudden you get a cavernous trunk and plenty of room to put stuff. So, you know, if you can live with having the top up, then you're going to get a lot of cargo room. All right, down it goes. Down goes the trunk. It seals very nicely into place, and we're good to go. This one's cutie. Very fun.
Yeah, real cute. Is it good driving?
Oh yeah, drives great. Really nice. Volkswagen EOS, it's called. Goddess of the Dawn. Thank you. She's being very kind. I'm not sure I do look good in anything. Anyway, so here we go. Let's get that beeping turned off. And what do we got? We've got a very nicely laid out instrument cluster, very sporty leather steering wheel with multifunction controls. You got your automatic headlamps over there. If you want to turn them on manually, you can. Pull one for a fog. Nice stuff. Your dimmer controls, all sorts of, you know, driver information stuff. You can see we've got a service due in about 4,000 miles or 213 days. You can change your languages, your so on and so forth. You can get a digital speedometer. You got the Fahrenheit display there, 48,000 miles on the clock, so nice low miles on this thing. Again, all the keyless stuff, so you can get in it, lock it, start it, all without taking the key out of your pocket. Over here you got Volkswagen's in-dash infotainment unit. That gives you, of course, your AM, FM, your satellite radio. Very, very nice. I figured out all the tuning controls eventually. That gives your media, so if you can plug in your, you know, phone into that thing, your Bluetooth, of course your navigation, part of that Lux package, and a very nice set of rear backup sensors that beep at you. Down here you've got dual side climate control with heated seats, driver, passenger, nice heated seats in this car. You can change the temperature pretty handily on either side. Again, with that Lux package, you get all this lovely wood trim in the car. You know, the leather and nickel on the DSG shifter, the wood. You got this great little, you know, place to put stuff. What would have been an ashtray back in the good old days. Traction control off. If you want to manually shift this thing, you go over to the right. You can bang your way through the gears. You've got, again, very simple cup holders, elegant, your top control in there, place to plug in all your media. Nice little subtle wood trim inside the dash. Got a set of books, and look at that, even the wheel lock key. Very, very nice to see. So let's get the seatbelt on and go for a spin. Oh, another clever thing here is this push to open guy, which is not working. There we go. So we pop it up. That gives you kind of a front screen. You can see our detailer didn't quite get to that. Anyway, that'll cut down on wind noise and buffeting, particularly when used in conjunction with this rear sunscreen, windscreen, and sunscreen, actually. Let's go for a spin. So again, with the GTI drivetrain in this car, it basically drives like a GTI, which is a great thing because GTIs drive lovely. It has a very nicely balanced suspension, of course, four-wheel ABS, sticks nicely to the road, has very precise, lovely light steering. Look at that, we got a DeLorean up there. God bless the world. I'm not even going to get into the 88 mile an hour crap. It's just nice to see a stainless steel car on the way to work. Anyway, the EOS drives really super, goes down the road proper, plenty of pep from that 2-liter turbo. You can have it in kind of a sporty setup or just a comfort setup, and it's just a fan. There goes a Bentayga, there's a 6 Series. I tell you, a lot of lovely cars out this morning. Anyway, that was one of those phone calls that interrupts the filming. But let me get right back to it. I was going to run up on that DeLorean and have fun with it, but what are you going to do? 2012 Volkswagen EOS, Goddess of the Dawn, 48,000 miles, nice color combination, lovely car to drive. If you have an interest, give us a call, 239-649-7300, on the web at mercedesexpert.com. Thanks so much for having a look. We really appreciate it. We'll see you with the next one. Take care.